Hi guys, very good morning all of you. How are you? So what is today's special 5th September? So we have nowadays Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, isn't it? So a very happy Teacher's Day to everyone. So on this day, I just want to share some of my thoughts with you. It's been a while. I came with a special video like this because nowadays I'm spending more time in recording the academic classes like accounting standards, finance and all. So today I was recollecting some of my memories with my teachers, and I just want to share with my next generation. And it has been a beautiful life of a student and a teacher. So I'm a continuous lifetime student and I'm a teacher as well. So today I was thinking of what is the best gift a student can give to a teacher. Say for example, I am blessed with so many good teachers in my life. So many good teachers, countless number of teachers. To name few of them, MP Vijay Kumar sir, who taught accounting to me. One of the legends. Now he is a member of IFRS interpretation committee also. So he is a torchbearer of Indian accounting strength to the whole world. And my music teacher Vidya ma'am, so who has patience enough to make me learn the Carnatic music classes and all. And there are so many other teachers whom I respect from the bottom of my heart, like Saravana Prasad sir, Pattabhiraman sir, Jayaraman sir, we lost him, rest in peace, and Rajeshwaran sir, we lost him also. Wherever he is, his blessings will be there with us. So right from my school days and college and then this professional education, there were so many teachers who helped me a lot. So how can we pay back them? How can we show our respect to them? What is the best gift we can give to them? Have you ever thought? So in WhatsApp, I have received more than 200 messages in the morning itself. And it goes on because I have been in teaching for 15 years. So many students will remember and say, sir, happy Teachers Day, sir. So I'll be very happy. And I also have forwarded some of the messages and personalized messages also I have written to some of the teachers like MP Vijay Kumar sir. Morning, I opened my eyes and I have dropped a message to him and to my music teacher as well. So what is the best gift we can give? I remember when I was at home, long time back, maybe it was some 10 years, 15 years back. One teacher knocked my door in the morning. I opened and I said, sir, namaste, how come you came to my house? Please come. He was old and he came with, the typical teacher dress will be there in 1970s, 1980 movies, no? Old movies. So one Khaddar shirt, one pancha, one normal mundu, and on bicycle with one gunny bag kind of cover in his hand. As it is same attire he came. And he asked, Pavan, I need your help. I'm like, oh my God. Then I said, sir, please tell me, whatever you tell, I'll do, sir. Pavan, I know this is difficult. I should not ask you like this, but I am genuinely in need of your help. I went near him. I have put my hand on his shoulder and said, sir, what happened? Is everything fine? He was adjusting his specs and is asking me, Pavan, I want you to help me with these papers, Pavan. And he has given a bunch of papers to me. I started laughing. And do you know what it is? Filing his income tax return for a refund of 2000 rupees. So a bank has deducted TDS. And he is saying, Pavan, I am living only with pensions and this interest on this bank deposits. 2000 rupees they have deducted, Pavan, long back. So please file the income tax return and see that the refund will come. He said, sir, for this small thing, you have put your face and you are, giving a screenplay like you are asking my heart. This is a matter of 2 minutes, sir. My article assistant also can do. I will do it personally for you. Don't worry, sir. He was so thankful, so thankful, so thankful. And he was telling 1000 times, Pavan, thankful. I said, sir, why are you so submissive? I am your student. You order me. When I am recollecting this, memory, this is the bloody beggar bowl I am catching and standing in front of my teacher, and he has given the bhiksha. Do you know what is the meaning of student in Telugu you call it, or in Sanskrit you call it? Do you know what is the Sanskrit word of student? Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi. A person, Vidya means knowledge. Ardhi means begging. Literally, we are catching the beggar bowl, going to the feet of teacher and begging, sir, please give us knowledge. And he is, from his knowledge roots, he is giving knowledge to us. That is what we are. And the teacher who taught me, because of which I have become, something in my life, be it a chartered accountant or something other than that, he himself, for asking income tax return, he is so submissive and he is humble. He is shy to ask. That day what I have done, I am in touch with some few other teachers also. I called them and I asked them, sir, do you need any help in filing your income tax returns? I am not doing this for money, sir. I'll do it free of cost for you. And I started doing that free when I was in my hometown to all my teachers, from a government school where I studied. Don't you think it is a beautiful feeling? What I have done is very small thing, but for them it is a big issue. Now you tell me, what is the best gift a student can give to a teacher? Now imagine, if you are my teacher, will you be proud in saying, Pavan, that guy is my student? So will you be proud in saying that? If you are proud in saying that Pavan is my student, I have given the gift. So remember one thing, your teacher believes in you. If you are lazy and if you are not realizing your dreams, if you are not achieving your goals, if you are not becoming something big in life, that is insulting your teacher. Your laziness is insulting your teacher. Your inability to chase your dreams is your insult to teacher. And the best gift you can give to teacher is what? I'll tell you. The knowledge transmission. The teacher has given you knowledge now. That is gift. What you become in your life is the written gift. So you want to give. Already your teacher has gifted. He has fulfilled his promise. He gave you knowledge. He taught you for so many years. So many teachers. Would you like to pay back? You want to give a written gift? Sir, in the morning in WhatsApp I sent Happy Teachers Day, sir. Sir, I have given personalized 2 sentences also. Dear so and so, sir. Dear so and so, ma'am. That also I have put, sir. Enough? No. One day out of 365 days, you sent one message or one forward or one image. Do you think you fulfilled the duty of a student? No. Sir, I paid fees also, sir. No. Your duty is becoming a successful person and then give the credit to your parents and teachers. That is your responsibility. If you want to gift to a teacher, don't just say Happy Teachers Day. Send messages. I'm not asking, don't send messages in WhatsApp. Send messages. Show the respect. But become successful and then give the credit to the teacher. They'll be happiest in their later parts of the life. They will say, that person is my student, this person is my student, that person is my... Give that happiness to them, because that is what they want. They do not want your 4,000 rupees of tuition fee. They want that also. That is a different story for their survival. But give that. And I'll tell you one thing. Unfortunately, underline, this is very important. Unfortunately, in a country like India, or in many countries, teachers are not highly paid. We are highly paid. I'm not saying about me, okay? God is kind on me, touch wood. Don't cry on my income. Teachers, this elementary school teachers, or your primary school teachers, secondary school teachers, many of them are not highly paid. Whether they are private school teachers or government school teachers or missionary school teachers, they are paid just okay kind of. So they don't earn in lakhs. When they go for, this competitive exams and all, like IIT coaching, teacher who gives IIT coaching, teacher who gives CA coaching, these kind of people, they earn good. But not all the teachers. Out of 100 teachers, maybe if my statistics is right, or if my opinions are right, more than 90 teachers, they'll not earn good and they struggle for their regular needs also. And especially few decades back, that is the reason they used to say Batakalain Vadu Badipantulu. That means a teacher, he cannot survive in this world. Very difficult. So, my dear friends, on this Teachers' Day, I am requesting all of you, all of my students, identify a teacher who taught you in your school, in your college. If they will not look for the help, they will not ask you. You go voluntarily, just check whether they are doing good. Try to, arrange for something if at all something wrong is happening. That could be support with medicines, that could be support with groceries. Because if they are not keeping well, if they are not financially well, or at least if they are healthy, if God is kind on them, living a retirement life or still working in the same school, just go with a bunch of fruits, give 4 apples, touch their feet and say, sir, how are you, sir? That is Teachers' Day gift. They'll be very happy, I'm telling you. They'll be very happy. Go with a box of sweets. Go with a box of sweets to your school or college. Distribute it to all the teachers and say, sir, thank you so much, sir. Sir, I have cleared CA Foundation. I am doing CA Intercept. Enough. There, like how Hrithik Roshan's chest will pump after 200 bench press. Like this, they become my student. I remember my social studies teacher giving a speech to the students of 8th standard in my school where I studied. He was telling, Pavan is my student. I was very notorious and nasty, okay. I was an idiot as a student, I'm telling you. I was never ideal student like Rama is a good boy. Never. Pavan is a good boy, no one told. He, notorious guy, nasty guy. I used to give a lot of headache, but at the end of the day, I never harassed them, I never hurt them. I'm never a pain in their mind, okay. So, once after I become a chartered accountant, after I get the ranks and all, the news comes in the newspapers and televisions. They came to me. There is a small school called Guravaya High School, and I studied in Hindu college. They have done felicitations to me, Old Students Association felicitations, and in their annual days felicitations, and they are saying, this guy is All India topper, he is our student, he studied in this government school. And all. So, all these memories, I tell you, beautiful memories. Beautiful memories. That is the gift you can give to your teacher. So, go to your school where you studied now. Because of Corona, nothing is happening, I know. And I'm telling you, if there is any teacher who is struggling for, normal survival, like bread and butter, like if they are unable to survive, if you can help, you help. If you cannot help, tell me. I will touch their feet, I will try to help, because throughout their life they helped students in educating them. By educating them, it is our responsibility to take care of this. Because remember one thing, Sadasiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Right from Lord Shiva, the greatest of the teachers, Jagat Gurus, like Adi Shankaracharya, to the immediate teacher of mine. So in the lineage, so many people are there. So many people are there. Okay, we call it in information technology, we call it supply chain. No, supply chain. So from Lord Shiva, in that supply chain, it came to Shankaracharya, it came to so many teachers, it came to Pavan, it came to so many students. So whatever we are, this is the bhiksha given by our teachers. So let us remember the contributions of all the teachers and say with full heart, from the bottoms of heart, Guru Bhyo Namah. So go, touch their feet, pay the respect, and a small chocolate also can make a lot of difference. If they are unable to meet the regular needs, provide that to them. Or if they are good enough, just go give fruits or sweets, touch their feet and come. And the blessings of teacher, blessings of parents, if they are with you, you can win any war in the world. You can win any task in the world. You can achieve anything in this world. I strongly believe that. I strongly believe that. And even God will help those who are respecting parents and teachers. I'm serious. I'm serious. So on this auspicious Teachers Day, I just want to tell you, it is not like, I have paid 1,000 rupees of tuition fee and he taught mathematics for 1 month. No. No, especially in teaching, it cannot happen like that. In teaching, it cannot happen like that. So you have to pay respect to them. So let us remember all the teachers who contributed, whether they loved you or whether they were beating with pain stick, that is a different story. That is a process, okay. Whoever taught even a single class to you, be thankful to them. Be thankful to them. So I am remembering today all my teachers from my elementary school, high school, then college, and then this CA, CMA, I have done self-study. For one group I have studied, and those teachers, everybody, name, with name to each and every teacher. Thank you so much for contributing so much in our lives. Whatever we are today, it is because of you. And I end this session with one beautiful quote given by Swami Vivekananda about Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Swami Vivekananda once said in the Message to the Youth of India, if you read that book, I have underlined this. When I was in school, I read this and I have underlined. Old book, I still have that book. Swami Vivekananda said, where would I be had I not been blessed with the dust of holy feet of my Guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa? That means Swami Vivekananda said, the dust from the feet of my Guru came and touched me and I have become Swami Vivekananda. How beautiful it is. How humble, how submissive. Great guy like Swami Vivekananda. Sabash. So he is telling about his teacher. The dust of the teacher makes you what you are. Isn't it beautiful? So the essence of Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. The essence, please try to understand. Respect your teachers on this auspicious Teachers Day. I want to thank all my teachers for giving knowledge to me and for making me what I am. And I request all my students, to go and pay respect to especially the school teachers. Because after that, college teachers and academy teachers and all, they might be earning good money, but the school teachers, selflessly they work. Maybe with little money they take. Okay, thank you all and a happy Teachers Day to you again.